Good morning, folks. I'm back again with another video. So today we are changing out the fuel filter. I got a message on the dashboard saying that my fuel filter needs changing. So pretty much what happens is it gets dirty, it fills all the way up to the top. It's hard for fuel to go through once it gets all dirty and everything. I don't know if you can see it, but it didn't completely turn black, and we're gonna change out the fuel filter today. So yeah, what I was saying, sorry about the interruption. I got a notification on the dash saying the filter was clogged and everything. So I always keep extra oil filters, extra fuel filters, all that. So I'm about to swap it out. It's pretty much best to do it yourself. I mean, you don't want to just run to the shop unless you clearly have to. So I hate running to the shop, but you can buy you a filter wrench. I don't know, you might be able to find that exact one, but go buy you a filter wrench. And then only thing you need to do is have your bottle or something like this to catch your diesel in, and then you drain your diesel and everything, and then you take your filter out and replace it. So here we go. We're gonna show you how it go. Stay tuned. These is pretty dark. So we're gonna go ahead and take the top cap off. Make sure you change that O-ring out and everything. filter. It's your O-ring that goes on your top cap. Gonna remove the old one. Gonna replace it with the new one. Just slips right on. There goes your O-ring. That goes around your bowl. Oh, we're gonna put the new O-ring on. Here's our new filter. That sits over that piece right there. So we're gonna set the filter in right there. We're gonna take the bowl, slide the bowl over it. Make sure your O-ring's in place. And we're gonna slide a locking ring in over that. We're gonna hand screw it on just to make sure it's threaded correctly. Right. Now we can use our wrench again, tighten it up. Don't have to be super tight. Alright, done with that part. This diesel should be pretty good. Alright, we're gonna put our diesel back in. We're gonna try it like this. Put top cap back on. It should crank. We might have to prime it up, but we're gonna see. Let's see if we can get a crank. Fuel filter reading good. Oh, we're back in good working condition. That gauge was all the way over there on the 15. That's what set off that clogged filter alert. So now we're back down to about 2. We back good. Yeah, so that's it. Just that simple. Don't take long. We got it changed out. We ready to hit the road again. That saves you a lot of time. You know, these shops, sometimes they be busy or whatever, or if you go to the truck stop, you'll be sitting there 2, 3, 4 hours. Who knows? 8 hours. You might have to take a whole break there. But this right here is simple and easy. You can go through, do it yourself. Save you a lot of money. Save you a whole lot of money. You can go to the restaurant and buy you a steak or whatever with extra money. But spend it when you get home, you know. But hey, stay up on that road out there, man. I know these rates looking horrible, but y'all keep doing your thing. Things gonna get better. I'm out.